I will show you how you can um, turn in an assignment. Some of you already know that, I know. Others may not know yet, so I will show you how you can do it. So you have assignments to do, okay? Here you can see the assignments that you have to do. Here on the right, you can see here we have, for example, two, and we can also see the due date. Both are due on the 27th. So let's take assignment 2. You click on assignment 2 here, and this window opens. You can see the instructions. You read the instructions, download the worksheets in PDF or Word to do the exercises, submit the worksheets. So you open the assignment, and on this page you can see, let me first remove this here because I was experimenting a few seconds ago. Okay, then you can see here again the assignment the teacher has asked you to do, and here the teacher uploaded or created the documents in Word and in PDF. So if you can't open the words in the documents in Word, you can open them in PDF. Let's try open it in PDF. Okay, you come here and download the document. Okay, open it. So we have it here. But I have two documents now. So here is the document. Now you do the exercise. Either you print it and write on the paper the answers, and then take a picture of it and upload it to your computer, or you do it directly on the computer, save it, and then upload it to Edmodo. How do you do that? So let's say you had already finished the exercise and uploaded it, and now you want to turn it in. Now, how do you do that? You come here and press this button, attach, and choose this option here, file from computer, and then you look for your file. So you go to the folder where you uploaded your file with your work and choose it. Let's say in my case it would be here. Okay, here. All right, and then click open, and the document will be uploaded to the platform Edmodo, and then you click on turn in assignment, and that's it. It's done. Let me show you other ways of turning in assignments. For example, you can also go here and create a text response. If you click on text response in this box, you can write your answers. Just write there what the answers are to the exercises, and then when you have finished, you click turn in, and the assignment will be turned in. Another way still is you can use the Microsoft Word that is embedded here in Edmodo, and click here to create a Word document. So here Word will be opened, and you can write in this Word document the answers to the assignment. And once you have finished, what you only need to do is go to the right of your page, and there you can see turn in. If you click turn in, there you will be taken to Edmodo again, and that's it. You don't need to save anything. So now I clicked on turn in, and immediately I'm in Edmodo again, and this a pop-up window opens and asks me if I want to turn it immediately in. If I click on turn in, the Word document will be delivered to the teacher. I'm going to cancel it for now, and then that's it. It's done. It's really simple. So that's the way it works. I hope it helped.